Hi there, this is our Jones and Shipman 1300 cylindrical grinder. It's the external and internal model with the variable speed chuck and a wee digital display. It came out of a government department. They would have had it since new and have really looked after it. It's in a beautiful condition. It would be the tidiest one that I've ever seen by far. So it is immaculate. The amount of hours work that it would have done would have been very few, and it's a great representation of the Jones and Shipman. If anyone does come and have a look at it, they'll be very impressed with just how it's been looked after. We'll start from this end. We've got our power box down here. The coolant assembly slides in under here, which I'll photograph separately. It's got the cloth roll, which has got a full roll on it, and also a brand new spare roll. And then it's got just your trays, etc. Manual oiling system here. It does have the automatic oiling system in here, which is adjustable. And all inside there is just immaculate. All the hoses and everything are just like brand new. We've got isolation switch here, your change gears here in regards to your belt for this chuck, etc. It's got 2 speeds there, I think. You've got your control up here, your light. I don't know if that works. No, that light's not working. And it is the variable speed control there. Emergency stop. It's got a really good head on it. It's a dual swivelling head with the dual stones here. You can have left or right or both. And yeah, the dual swivel, and obviously it's got the internal grinding attachment on as part of the back of it. It's in beautiful condition. Bed's really tidy. Tailstock's very, very tidy, and you've got your taper control here for that table as well. It's got a wee readout there which works, a digital readout for your wheel coming in and out. It's got all the original guarding, and everything on it's immaculate. Well, we'll start with the wheels here. So this is the table on the course action there. It's beautiful and smooth to operate. I can do that and work it on the wee fine feed. So the table's really nice and smooth. The wheel in and out on manual feels beautiful and smooth, and you can see that on the wee digital readout working. And if I pull that out, I can wrap it in. And that's working and feels beautiful and free as well. You've got your wee inching lever here, and also your dead stop engagement there, and that's your setting knob for that. Over here you've got your table traverse engagement, and also a wee lockout, so if you're plough grinding and you want to lock it out, you can, so it can't accidentally be knocked. Your table speed here, and then you've got your feed here, and also a safety lock there, and you can set it to the plough grinding where the wheel head's just continually feeding in. We'll start things up. Let's start the drive here first. I think that's in the low range, so I'll slow that right down. Don't know if you can see that. Medium speed, full speed. So that variable speed unit's working nicely, and that's ticking over nice. I'll start the hydraulic pump up. I'll stop that variable drive. There's the hydraulic pump ticking over there. And I've just engaged the table, traverse, and that's on a medium speed. I'll speed that up to full. It's very smooth, the crossover is beautiful, and it just does tick over really nicely. And I'll engage that feed. So there's the feed engaged now. So the cross feed's working nicely. I'll disengage that feed and I'll disengage the table and turn that lock on so I can't accidentally do that. Turn that back to 0 and I can set that into, so I've just set that into plough grinding, so that's coming in now. You can see it on the DRO there, and if I wanted to I could rapid that as well, so that's rapiding in on that plough grinding feed, auto feed. That's that, and if I unlock that, we're back to traversing. So that's that hydraulic table action. It's ticking over nicely, and I can turn that off and start the wheel up. There's the wheel running there. It's got a wee sight glass that tells you it's got the pressure working, and I can see that there. It's very quiet and ticks over nicely. Alright, I'll start it all up. Oops, I heard that there. So there it is, all running really. The traverse, the chuck and that wheel head. Oh no, I haven't got the in-feed going. Let's see in-feed now. Yeah, so that's in-feeding and showing up on the digital readout. So, stop that. Stop that. So there it all is in operation. It's an absolutely immaculate machine that's been really well treated, and yeah, it is very surprising just how good a condition it's in.